The first thing I did, I decided to pick what kind of butterfly I wanted. So if you're like me and you're more of a pink person, but I'm more of a very pink, purple, black person, so that's my color. So I decided to make my butterfly with my color. I'm going to show you guys on this eyes. I already put concealer on my eyes, so my eyes already has that base for the eye makeup look. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this pink from this Juvia's Place Warrior 3 palette, and I'm gonna put this pink on my eyes, and then I'm just gonna start down here first. So I'm literally making a cut crease with my eyes at first. So I'm just following my natural cut crease. I'm not making this a little bigger. I'm just gonna follow the regular one I have. So that's so the tail of my brow bone is where, like the way this is where my butterfly is gonna stop. So it's gonna be like right here. So I'm gonna just put like a dot right there of the pink. I hope you guys can see that well, but I'm gonna put like a dot of the pink all around there. Pack it on there. I'm really not brushing it because I'm gonna pack it on there because I want it to have like that pink look. So then I'm gonna bring it forward like this, and then you're gonna go to the bottom of your lashes and just put the pink all around just like that. Put this closer to the end of my eyes, like that's where the end of the butterfly is gonna be. So it's gonna be like right there. Like a really small brush like this and trace this purple all around the ends. So literally like this. I'm gonna take a fluffier brush to help me blend it so it doesn't look like that because it's not how I want it to look. So I want to blend the purple and the pink together just at the end. I'm not bringing it forward. So I'm going to use my NYX white liner and literally just create white thick dots, okay? But it's not going to be precise. That's the point, like this one's. So some extra tips if I know I'm going to make mistakes while I'm doing this because my hands are not straight. I'm going to try and make mistakes on the outer corners of the eye rather than the inner corners because it's easier to clean the outer part because, you know, there's nothing there. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to take that same NYX white liner. So I just did the other eye. I'm gonna finish up with my makeup, set my face, do everything else off camera. I hope you guys enjoyed this look as much as I am enjoying it right now. And don't forget to subscribe. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, please hit the subscribe button because I hope you will enjoy it and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at flawless_Fiona. That's where I'm going to put the Instagram tutorial. Also follow me on Twitter at Slayedbyfiona. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.